Hi! Kamusta po kayong lahat? And hope you're all good. I just received my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Actually, I haven't changed my phone for 2 years now. So I have here this is my iPhone, I think this is iPhone 11. No, iPhone 10. Actually, iPhone 10. iPhone 10 Max, something like that. It's a big one. And I got this on November 2018. Yeah. So I decided to get a new iPhone because it's been 2 years. Usually I decided not to buy iPhones na and change iPhones. Kaya lang, wala lang, parang napagtripan ko lang. I mean, it's been a long time that I didn't have a new iPhone. So I got a new one and I arrived today. So let's open how it looks like. We'll see. So I don't know, some people get crazy with iPhone. Not really me, but I just decided to get one, you know, because it's been 2 years. So this is how it looked like. Let's see. So ito yung packaging niya. It's an iPhone 12 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes. So ito yung itsura niya. And I also bought this one. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. So it's actually manipis lang siya, unlike the other packaging before, makapal, but this one is manipis. This is how it looks like. So I think I got it's like a blue or green. Man, I don't even know, but I know it's a different color. So this is how it looks like. And then ganito siya. Hindi ako kumuha before na iPhone kasi look. I mean, if you compare that to my previous phone, dalawa lang. This one has 3. So ayan. Medyo, if I'm gonna compare it with this one, let's see. So, iba siya kasi ito parang pabilog eh. But this one is like different. Yeah, para siyang, I don't know. Basta iba siya. Open natin. Let me see. So, yep. So I'm gonna sell my old phone if anyone is interested, so you can get this one. I think it's an iPhone 10 something. Say hello. Hello daw kayo dyan. And then, wala. Let me see. Hello. Bonjour. That I couldn't read. Let me see. So it's English. And then let me see. United States. I think it cost me around more than $1,500. Then I actually pay it. I didn't pay it like installment. So I just pay it outright. I cannot see where is the United States. There you go. And then set up manually. Let me see. So ganito yung box niya. Set up ko lang. Parang mas mabigat siya kumpara dito. Ito parang mas mabigat. May take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Parang weird. Mas manipis kasi siya. Ito mas makapal. Anong baka naman? Face ID. Kamusta po kayo dyan? So, okay. Then create a passcode. Wala naman siyang pinagbago, ganun pa rin naman eh. iPhone pa rin. Paraffle yung luma. But I have this. Ito yung luma. Then I have that phone that I'm using right now, which is Samsung. And then I have two. I have a lot of phones. I don't know. I have a lot of phones. And then actually binigay din kami ng work phone. This is my work phone. Like they give it a work. Then this is my phone. Daming phone. Hindi ko na alam kung bakit kailangan maraming phone. Baka daw malito mag-reply. You know, when you have so many phones, malito ka mag-reply. Minsan personal, mag-reply ka sa work. Mga ganun. Kaya maraming phone. Nalala ko yung dating phone ko, it was only Alcatel. Kahit pa paano, iba na ngayon. Oh. Allow. So, itong dalawang to. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 3. Boring na ba? Okay. Agree. So, yun na po sila. So, my old phone. Okay pa naman yung isa kong phone, di ba? Kung sino pong gustong bumili, mura lang. This is my old phone. Let me see kung ano tong old phone ko. I know iPhone 10 something. Let me see. Ano to? Oh, this one is iPhone XS Max. 10X Max. This one. Yung nanakaw sa LRT, wala na. So, meron akong iPhone before. I think that was 2011. Bagong bili ko, tapos, dun sa Manila. Tapos, sumakay ako ng LRT. May mga gagong sumunod sa akin din. Tinulak ako dun nung papasok ako ng LRT. Tapos, sabi ko sa mga tumulong sa akin, parang ba't ba kayo nagmamadali? Ang dami namang upuan dyan sa loob. Yung pala, tinulak ako kasi ninako yung iPhone ko. So, kinuha siya sa pulsa ko. Na-stress talaga ako nun. As in, na-stress talaga ako. Pero anyway, ganun talaga ang buhay. At least, di ba, meron na tayong, things nawawala, merong dumarating. So, ganun lang. Paano ba So, ito na siya. Yun lang. Pinagkaiba. May tanong kayo? Sabi gano'n. Software update. Oh my God. iPhone storage. Paano nga mag-update? I don't even know. Backup. Ayun. iPhone backup. Di talaga ako marunong. Basta bumibili lang akong phone. Minsan hindi ko alam yung mga ano niya, feature niya. Basta may phone lang. Ganun lang. November 2011 yon. Oh my God. So, ibig sabihin, every November, nagkakaroon ako ng phone. Kasi ito, I got this November 2018. And then November 2020. So, every November, nagpapalit ako ng phone. Sana all. Nagpapalit ng phone. Buti ka na alala mo pa, Vivian. Ako hindi ko maalala. But anyway, thanks for reminding. Yung ninakaw na phone na November 2011, ninakaw yung phone ko. Tapos na-stress ako, bumili ako ng bagong phone. Dahil na-stress ako, para mawala yung stress ko, kailangan mapalitan yung phone. So, pero wala na yung mga phone na yun. Hindi ko na alam kung nasa na yun eh. I think that was 40,000, 45 dyan sa Manila before. Hindi kasi pamimigay yung mga nauna or sana oil daw, daming pangpalit ng phone. Hindi naman. I mean, it's been 2 years. Before nga, every year I change phone eh. But now, 2 years. Kasi sabi ko, I'm not gonna change phone because I don't need it. But this time, I just decided I want one. And then maybe I'll sell this one. Okay naman siya. Wala pala siyang basag. Imagine wala siyang protector. Pero wala siyang basag. Which is good. Ito na yung bagong iPhone 12. iPhone 12. I think yung color niya is blue-green. Something like that. And ayan po, hapon na dito sa San Fran. Tahimik. Tahimik ang buhay. Sana all. Siya, yun na. Bumili na kayo ng iPhone. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo naman, nagbebenta rin ako ng iPhone. So, bumili na lang kayo sa akin. Mura lang. Mas mura pa kaysa Pilipinas. Ano po yung ating bagong phone.